Guys, I've just arrived to the only place on the planet where you can mouth feed wild hyenas. I'm not even joking. I don't know why I'm doing this.
These are the hyena men of Harar, Ethiopia. And for over 200 years, one family has passed down the practice of hand-feeding completely wild hyenas. And over the years, it's become such a tradition in the city that they've even built doors in the walls of the city so the hyenas can still come and feed. And today, I would be the one feeding them.
We can start now?
Yes, you can start now. Why are you stuttering, dude? You don't want to start?
He's blind.
Blind?
Not yeah.
So you can't see where's meat and where's my face?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes. What? Shiba. 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 Yes.
You can feel their breath.
Yes. Yes.
I survived. News Daddy lives on. Guys, today we are making a dream come true. This is our man.
This is me.
This is our man. We actually had the same dream. When I was his age, we wanted to become a professional footballer. But growing up in Ethiopia, man, is hard to get an opportunity, ain't it? Yeah, I know. Growing up in South Africa myself, it's so hard to make it out of Africa to Europe. So this is the appeal. We want any English football club watching just to give him a shot. I will take care of everything else. I will pay for the flights. I will get him to wherever you're at. He just needs one opportunity, and that will change a life forever. Our man's already got Spanish scouts looking for him. We don't want Spain. We want Arsenal, right? Arsenal?
Yes, Arsenal,
let's go. If you're an English football club watching, give this man a shot.
Thank you.
Let's go. This is the first smart police station in Africa.
You see, according to recent surveys, 35% of Ethiopians say they've had to bribe the police to get assistance. And about a third of all citizens believe that most or all police are corrupt. And on top of having 120 million people spread across a vast country, there simply aren't enough officers to staff every community. So many crimes simply go unreported. But this smart police station located in the country's capital is a attempting to change that. This station does not have a single police officer and is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. People can walk in and use a tablet to report crimes, upload evidence, scan documents, and even connect via live video to a police officer at a central command center. Everything is recorded, no bribes, no physical officers needed, and your entire case gets sent to your phone. It is the first of its kind in all of Africa and only the fourth in the entire world. But the question is, do you think this is a good idea or will it make little difference?
Hey, hey. Arif, oh, this is beautiful. Thank you. It's actually beautiful though. Wow. በዚህ በኩል ነው የምመጣው። Thank you. ሰላም እንዴት ነህ? ደህና ነህ? አለን። Say. Oh, this is beautiful actually. በጣም ነው የሚያምረው። ኧረ እያየሁ ነው። ይሄ ከነ ዘፈኑ ነው ወይ? ቴንክ ዩ አባት፣ ቴንክ ዩ። እኔም እወድሃለሁ። ቴንክ ዩ። ዋው ናፍ የት አለ? ይኸው ሀረር እንዴት አባቷ እንደምታምር ተመልከቷት። የሚገርም ፋውንቴን ነው ይሄ ደግሞ። ዋው እኔ ወዳቸዋለሁ። ቴንክ ዩ ዋው አታ ዋለ ኮላ ቆይ እለፋውን ዋው
Basketball who's better? Let's see. You or Dylan?
Actually, basketball on the kitchen.
Name of the kitchen.
Yeah, nothing good.
Do you play basketball? No. Do you?
No.
Good. Then it could be 1v.
Yeah.
See what your scores go. You go first.
Why you want me to go?
Yeah. All right, let's see what his score will be. We got 60 seconds.
Score is 14. You got 40 seconds. You got 40 seconds. Miss. Oh no, now he's just sinking, man. Oh man. Yo, whatever you do, don't get in those things. Who has some chat for me when I can? No, I will do it. Oh, 39. 42. 45. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Okay, 54.
He's taking over my intro, dude. He's taking over.
Salam guys, we are here. My name is Adonai.
እንደምን አላችሁ? እንደምን አላችሁ? 4. Oh yes. Dylan is with 444 fans.
Yeah, I'm the 444 fan.
Yes, አባት. ሰየት አባቱ
I was supposed to get something in my side of my head.
You're going to get it once we go back.
Yeah.
20.
Everyone loves saying in the comments the best barber in Ethiopia. Explain the trend.
Oh, because he's the best barber, but he's been underestimated by a lot of people.
Oh, so is it like a competition?
He was made fun of. People didn't believe in him. He was persistent. He tried his best to become international. And then he found you and is like, it's gonna...
So should we get him to shave my head?
Maddie's
Give me the worst haircut.
Maddie's gonna kill you.
Yeah, we should get my haircut then.
Yeah. And plus the
Line
20.
me up.
And the plus the 20.
Yeah.
I got it. Like 20.
Best barber in Ethiopia.
ወደ ላሊበላ በሰላም ገብተናል። ኤርፖርት ነው ያለነው። ዲላን ይዘነው መተናል። እንደማታሳፍሩን እርግጠኛ ነኝ። ውበታችን እናሳያለን። እንግዳ እንዴት እንደምንቀበል ለዓለም ሙሉ እናሳያለን ማለት ነው። እስኪ ናፒ በደንብ አድርገህ አሳያቸው። ናፒ ሌትስ ጎ።
ሲያምር ነው።
አዶንዬ ሆዴ ቤት መጣክብ
ሲያምር ነው።
እናት መርቃ አባት ደግሞክ ቅዱስ ላሊበላን ያጎበኘክ
አይ ያምራል በጣም ደስ የሚለው ይሄው ምን ላይ ነው የተሰቀ ይሄ ምንድነው የበግ ቆዳ ነው ይሄ ቢዩኒው ሲያምር በእናት
በመኪናን መጣ ባየር ገሰገሰ አዶንዬ ሆዴ ላልዬ ደረሰ
አንተ ድምጽ መረዋ የሆነ ድምጽ የኔ አባት እናመሰግናለን አመሰግናለሁ በጣም አባቴ ቴንክ ዩ እዚህ ውስጥ ማለት ነው የሰው አጽም አለ ሂዩመን ማሚ ነው የሚባለው ከየት ነው የመጡት ከጀሩሳሌም ነው የመጡት አለ እዚህ አሁን ይታያል ነው አተ ኮንቲኒስ መስሎኝ ነበር right there I thought that was a wood
this is who we are tomorrow
አረ በስመ አብ ወልፈስ ቅዱስ አንተ ጥፍሩ ለራሱ አለ
caves used to be a graveyard for member of the
አረ በስመ አብ ቆይ እስኪ አንዴ እናስቀርብልን ነው አይ ጥሩ ነው ግን ጥሩ አይ I don't think. እሺ አንተ Dylan is gonna be shocked. All right, let's get closer. All right, so what do you see?
Is there anything?
What do you see, Blake? Get closer.
What do we? No, that is not what I think it is, bro. No.
Isn't that crazy, dude?
Is that real? That's real?
That's real. That's a mummy.
We're just laying here.
That's literally a leg
Why is it just here?
with the toes and there's a nail.
Why is there a seat here?
Pilgrims. Who actually, some people may come and, this is who we are tomorrow.
Oh, so you can sit here.
Yeah,
and
you can
pray
sit here and see who you are tomorrow. No
dude.
wonder. Man is mortal.
Are you gonna sit?
It's immortal. It's all. Yeah, three bodies.
Oh my God, there's more up
Further
there.
behind there are one.
There's loads.
Three.
It's literally a cave full of bones.
Yeah.
Oh my
From the Middle East,
God.
from Jerusalem.
ጌታዬ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ ሆይ እንደ በጎ አዝመራ ቁጠረኝ፣ በጆሮዬ ውስጥ እንክርዳድ ከሚዘራብኝ ክፉ ጠላት ጠብቀኝ። የሻከረውን ልቡናዬን አንተ አለስልሰህ ዝራ፣ በመስቀል እርፍነትም ልቡናዬን ረሰው። ነገ እንለወጣለን። ስለ መለወጣችን ስላለመለወጣችን አትጨነቁ፣ ዝም ብላችሁ ተማሩ።
ጋይስ አሁን እንግዲህ እየተጠቅሜ ለወጣ ነው። እንደ መሳለል ነው የሚያገለግለው። ተመልከቱት። ውይ
Bro.
Yeah boy. ወየ ጊዮርጊስ ቤተክርስቲያን ይባላል። በጣም ነው የሚያምረው። እንደምታዩት ብዙዎቻችሁ ታውቁታላችሁ በፎቶ በቪዲዮዎች፣ ዓለም ሁሉ የሚያውቀው ነው። እንደምትመለከቱት ዛሉ ከውጭ ሀገር የመጡ ነጮችም አሉ እየጎበኙ ይገኛሉ። ይህ ቅርሳችን እንግዲህ በዓለም ሙሉ መጎብኘት አለበት፣ መታየት አለበት። የገቢያችን ምንጭ ነው። ብዙ ሰዎችም እዚህ መጥተው ይባረካሉ ማለት ነውና እንደነዚህ አይነት ቦታዎች መታየት አለባቸው በዓለም ደረጃ። በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። ዲለን ዛሬ ተደምሞ ነው የዋለው። ልነግራችሁ አልችልም። ላሊበላ እኔ ደግሞ ወርቅ ስንት ኪሎ ግራም ወርቅ ነው? የ7 ኪሎ ግራም ወርቅ ተሳልሜ ማለት ልነግራችሁ አልችልም። የተሰማኝ ስሜት ከዚህ ጀምሮ የቅዱስ ላሊበላ መስቀል ይባላል አፍሮ አይገባ። ከዚህ ጀምሮ እስከዚህ ድረስ እንደዚህ ነው የተሰነጠቁት። በጣም ተአምር ነው በቃ ዛሬ ያየሁትና በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል።
ወዳችኋለሁ። What a love, man. Look, Arsenal fans, all of them, man. ወዳችኋለሁ. What does this mean?
It's Gyökeres.
Oh, it goes like this. Listen, thank you, ወዳችኋለሁ. Thank you. All right, let's let you witness, like, just listen to what they're saying. You've been taking one over the place.
Malayada Nyubana Malanana Malayela Nyubana Mafayada Malaleya Mafashanta Zagaleto Zagale Zagaleto Zagale Zagaleto Zagale Zagaleto Zagale Zagahisi
ይህ የምስጋና ቪዲዮ ነው። እናንተ የምታምሩ ኢትዮጵያውያን እውነት ደመቅ አርጋችሁ የተቀበላችሁን ዲላን ፔጅ እንደዚህ ፈገግ ብሎ እንዲውል ያደረጋችሁት ኢትዮጵያውያን በጣም ወዳችኋለሁ፣ አመሰግናችኋለሁ። ፍቅራችሁን አሳይቻችሁታል። በጣም ደስ ብሎታል። እኔም በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። የኢትዮጵያን ቱሪዝም በጣም ላመሰግናችሁ ፈልጋለሁ። ካጠገቤ ስለሆናችሁ፣ አላማዬ ተረድታችሁ ከጎኔ ስለቆማችሁ እውነት እየሰራ ነው ያለነው ነገር ትልቅ ነው። በዓለም ደረጃ እየታወቅን ያለነው ገናም ከዚህ በላይ ይቀጥላል። የዓለማችን ታላላቅ ክሪኤተሮች፣ ኢንተርናሽናል ዘፋኞችና ሴሌብሪቲዎች ወደ ኢትዮጵያ እያመጣን ኢትዮጵያ የዓለም እንቁ ሀገር መሆኗን እናሳውቃለን ማለት ነው። ገና ባህላችን ይስፋፋል። ኢትዮጵያ ትዘምን በዓለመነ የታባቱ
والعتراي ويو شمانو والعتراي مونو شبورينا الشبورانا 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 شمسكتش مسكتش مسكتش مسكك قدم زززززززززززز مسخ وزوز اشكالنا لوز اشكالنا لوز اشكالنا لوز.
Damn, it is the last day in Ethiopia. Man, it's been one of the wildest weeks of my life. I've never experienced so much energy, so much chaos, so many crowds, so much love like I have here in Ethiopia. And I'm standing here at the runway. There's Blake. Blake's been the cameraman all week. He's been an absolute legend. There's our flight over there. And man, I'm gonna miss Ethiopia. I think I've got to come back, man. I think I've got to come back. So, Ethiopia, love you. Thank you so much for being so kind, so loving. I'll see you soon.
Bye, man. Bye. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you, bro.
I'm gonna miss you, but it won't be the last time, man.
Definitely, bro. Thank you for seeing my country.
Thank you for everything,
Thank you
bro.
for coming here, for trusting me. I appreciate you. You're a very, very rare soul, bro. I just want to tell you that. An obsessed fella. I'm very obsessed with the success.
Thank you for showing me around,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
No one could have done it like you did it.
Really,
I
thank you.
appreciate you, and I
Thank
think
you.
we're going to be great friends. We
Thank
already
you.
are, bro.
Yes, bro.
We already are. It feels like we've known each other years.
Love you, bro.
It's only been a week.
Definitely.
Love you, man.
Next time we're gonna see Las Vegas or Ghana or whatever it is, you know. Let me know, Maddie.
Much love, bud.
Much love to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Crazy week. Crazy
Thank you.
week.
Thank you for trusting me.
Bro, you're goated. Yeah,
I appreciate you.
insane.
I'm gonna miss him too. Lovely, nice to meet you.
I'm gonna miss you.
Honestly, and I'm sure we will see many, many more times.
አዝኛለሁ። እነዚህ የሚገራርሙ ሰዎች ደክሞኛል፣ ግን በጣም 7 ቀን ምንም አልተኛውም። ኦልሞስት አልተኛንም እኮ ነበር። ምንም አልተኛውም። አሁን ቤት ገብቼ ለጥ ነው የምለው። በጣም ደክሞኛል። ቻው። ቴንክስ ስለተከታተላችሁ።